Do you know that a simple habit like not washing hands properly can silently lead to worm infection in your body? Okay, let's begin. Today we are starting a simple and practical discussion on intestinal worms, where you will understand what they are, how they enter your body, and why they can quietly damage your health. Let's first understand what intestinal worms actually are. These worms are parasites. That means they live inside your body, take nutrition from you, and give nothing in return. They mostly stay inside your intestine. They feed on the food you eat and survive there. There are mainly two types of parasites. One is Helminths, which are larger worms. The other is Protozoa, which are microscopic organisms. Among Helminths, there are two common forms: roundworms and flatworms. Flatworms are usually more dangerous because they can cause more complex problems. Now let's talk about some common types. Pinworms. These are tiny, like pins. At night, female worms come near the anal area and lay eggs. This causes itching. When you scratch, the eggs stick to your fingers and can go back into your mouth or spread to others. Roundworms, also called ascaris. These are the most common worms in countries like ours. Hookworms. They attach to the intestinal wall and suck blood, which can lead to anemia. Whipworms. They live in soil and can enter your body through the skin, especially if you walk barefoot. Tapeworms. These are flatworms that can enter your body through undercooked meat. In severe cases, their larvae can even reach the brain and cause serious disease. There are also microscopic parasites like Giardia and Entamoeba, which can cause diarrhea and dysentery. Now let's understand how these infections spread. The most common route is contaminated food and water. If food or water contains worm eggs and you consume it, infection can occur. Eating unwashed fruits and vegetables, poor hygiene, and unsafe sanitation are major causes. Walking barefoot in contaminated soil also increases the risk. Another important reason is poor hand hygiene, especially after scratching the anal area. If you want to watch the complete series on this topic, you can click the card above. Now let's talk about symptoms. Common symptoms include stomach pain, nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, weight loss, anemia, bloating, and itching around the anal area. One important point to remember: you may not always see worms in your stool. Most of the time, only their eggs are present, which are visible only under a microscope. Now let's look at possible complications. If the worm load is high or your immunity is low, complications can become serious. Dehydration, malnutrition, iron deficiency anemia, intestinal blockage, appendicitis, pancreatitis, and in rare cases, damage to organs like the liver, brain, or eyes. Key points to remember: intestinal worms are parasites that live inside your body and take your nutrition. They spread mainly through contaminated food, water, and poor hygiene. They can cause symptoms like stomach pain, itching, anemia, and weight loss. Even if you do not see them, they can still harm your body. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Medical Diary of Dr. Chatterjee. The information shared here is collected from trusted sources like NHS UK, Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic, and Patient UK.